feel like I really look cute with freckles. Like, can't nobody tell me shit. Alright. Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. As you can see, this look is like a summery look. Glossy lips. Popping highlights. Fake freckles, as you can see. I really want to like step outside the box and do something different, because like it's time for a change. Like, it's summertime is approaching, and yeah, I just want to do like this cute yellow look. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, give me feedback. Don't like this look, tell me you don't like this look. If you love this look, tell me you love this look. Shit, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me feedback so your girl can know. Yeah, that's about it. I'm feeling this look though. I'm really feeling this look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. And I'm gonna take this shade right here. This shade right here. And I'm just gonna get my Bella MG323 brush, and I'm gonna use it as a transition shade. Now for my second shade, I'm going to use, I sound so robotic. Now for my second shade, I'm going to use okay, for my second shade, I'm going to use this color, this shade, to like, just, I don't know, because it's going to look right. I just know it's going to look right. So I'm just going to use this little orange color shade, and we just going to blend to that crease, hunty. See? So now I'm gonna take this NYX eyeshadow, loose eyeshadow pan, in the name Shut the Fuck Up. I can't believe they put Shut the Fuck Up. It's the crazy names nowadays for these makeup colors. For real. And that's no shade, no tea. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dab in here, and I'm just gonna like apply it to like my whole eyelid. But I'm gonna take my NYX concealer palette pan, and I'm just gonna like do this, cause the eyeshadow isn't just apply that on my lid so it can just pop. Okay, so now I'm going back in my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm gonna take these two, because like I want my shadow to pop. I don't know, I just want them to pop more, so I'm gonna use these two colors, like this orange and then this hot red, because it is summertime and I just want to pop, you know, do a little something different, because I always do like natural looks and stuff like that. It's summertime, so you gotta be summertime fine, gotta be popping. gonna go back in with the NYX yellow shadow, and I'm just gonna go into my crease and blend it in. So now I just feel like it's just really orangey right now, so I'm gonna add like a little bit of, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna add like this brown color. No, I think I'm gonna go in with this. I'm going with this, and I'm just gonna like go in like with my crease. Okay, y'all, I'm done with the eyes. Now on to the face. I'm gonna prep my face with NYX Professional Makeup. I said I'm going all into detail, but NYX's pore filler. This is my first time using it, so let's see how it works. Foundation, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty, as always, the Fenty Beauty foundation in the number 360. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna just okay, y'all, to be honest, this is not the look that I wanted, but I'm just gonna roll with the punches because it is what it is. Okay, since it's hot outside and stuff, it's hot outside, so I'm gonna be using the Pro Glow Infallible L'Oreal Paris concealer, and I'm just gonna do this because it's hot outside. I'm cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this E.L.F. beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend. By the way, this beauty blender is the shit. Like, it's good. I've actually liked this. I got this from Walmart for like $6. Alright, and then now I'm gonna set my concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium deep, in it's in the number 30. And I'm just gonna get my E.L.F. what's it called? My E.L.F. taper brush. And I'm just gonna like apply and wipe, cause like a bitch ain't got time for flashbacks. Now I'm gonna use the HD finishing powder by NYX. I don't know if y'all ever heard, y'all know like the lightening method, like Kim Kardashian do like the light method underneath her eyes and stuff. Oh, I'm trying to open it. And I'm just gonna use this powder very lightly. Like I'm gonna like apply and brush. Apply a little bit. I'm not gonna even just do the whole thing. I'm just gonna like apply. I'm about to start back talking. So now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline matte poreless foundation in the color Mocha, And I'm gonna be using like this little E.L.F, what's it called, stripping brush, and like I'm just gonna like apply my contour. This is like cracked, and so since this is like a summer glow look, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me Lash and I'm gonna apply it along where I apply my contour. And I'm gonna be using my Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation in the spots where I did conceal and set powder to prevent flashback. Okay, so now my camera went dead, by the way. My camera went dead, and while my camera was dead, I applied my lashes. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I went in with the color Throne on my lower eyeline, and then I lined my waterline, my lower waterline, with my Ruby Kisses white eyeliner pencil. So yeah, I'm gonna line my lips with Hot Cocoa. Gloss. This one is called Pink Cosmo, and this one is called Champagne Glam. In the color Mocha. And I'm gonna apply some on my hand. And I'm just gonna like use this and like make fake freckles on my face. Now that is done, ladies, this is my finished look. All-Nighter primer by Urban Decay, very lightly. And this is it, ladies. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, like. Oh, why am I sounding so dry? This is it, ladies. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications as well to get updated on all the tutorials I post and just videos. I will be posting more personal videos as well on my channel too, because it's like, dang, all she do is makeup. Like, who is that girl? Let me like tell us a little bit about yourself. So I will do that. I will do that more, and I'm gonna make videos, and I promise they're coming soon. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you